Hi friends, have you had one of those days where you felt that your time could have been spent much better? I do not know about you, but I had so many of those days. I went crazy and obsessed trying to solve this problem. I remember the days where I was working and keep thinking to myself, how long could I keep this up for? It took me a long time to figure this out. It sounds simple on hindsight, but I wish someone has told me this. Time does not equal to money. I do not care if you are a blue or white collar worker. Let's say you work 8 hours a day, 8 hours, and you earn 50,000 a year. To earn 100k, there is no way you're going to work 16 hours a day. Personally, to me, money is never the end goal. The end goal is just to be happy. Time freedom is happiness. With time freedom, I can focus on the things that are really important to me. It's an awesome feeling, and I want to bring as much of you with me on this journey. Most people, to increase income, the mindset is to get the next promotion, land the next amazing job, or increase in sales, etc. You get the idea. For business owners, the mindset is how do I get more customers, increase profit margins, etc. Look, I don't blame you for having such a mindset. The system we are in now is designed by society to get you stuck in the infinite loop. So what if you have an increase in income? You're still going to continue working. So get out of this loop. Instead, I'm going to tell you to do something totally opposite. Let's say you are doing a job and that brings home 50,000 a year, working 10 to 12 hours a day. If I had to look back in life, I'll easily take a job that pays half, but I work half the time. I use the remaining time to focus on how do I use my time most effectively. I'm sure you had thoughts on what to do if you had so much extra time. Now, with the internet, never in history it is cheaper to start something, follow a new interest group, learn new stuff, and discover new things. There is so much to do. My friend, who is a dentist, I asked her to do some videos during her limited time about dentist stuff. In half a year, she has more than 500,000 followers. Her options are now much more. Just think about it. Or imagine you are a fitness instructor. What differentiates you from a fitness instructor that charges hundreds per hour serving high-end clients from an instructor that serves the general public? Nothing. Yes, you're right. Nothing. The only difference is the expensive instructor knows how to market himself. I bet you he spends lots of time thinking how to do that. So let's say you are a doctor. In fact, I know a lot of doctors in person and many doctors that watches this channel. Look, you're going to work like shit for many hours end on end for the rest of your life. I'm sorry to be crude, but I'd rather be the one saying the uncomfortable stuff. How about this? Try to take a less of an active role. The remaining time, focus on educating others on prevention. Prevention is much better than cure. Do videos, pump out one video every week, just a 5 minutes video. I assure you, if you do it for a year, you'll be at a much better place than now. This is just one idea for you. This goes for anybody. Your real value is directly proportional to the impact that you have on others. Treating one patient at a time, you are only able to help one person at a time. Doing videos, firstly, you impact more people 24 hours a day because the internet doesn't sleep. More people will recognize your contributions, more opportunities will come. That's how the world works. What if you're doing F&B or administrative stuff? That's better. Tons of jobs to work part-time. Use the extra time to pursue your passion and share it. Or take the extra time to focus on how you can most effectively use your time. Of course, it's not going to come immediately. There is nothing instant in the world, including instant noodles. It's either you do it now or you regret it for the rest of your life. When you choose to pursue your passion and share it, the key is when you are passionate, you will definitely be better than the average person. So share what you love, and when you share, you get better at it because sharing forces you into this mental state to be better at what you do. it becomes a positive loop. The world is so big and the internet just makes it so small. For me, I'm passionate about wealth, not how much money I have, but how wealth drives people to do amazing things and stupid shit. Like in fact, today I threw a $50 note at a customer in Subway shouting at the staff. And I asked him to get out. I hope that video doesn't go viral. I just can't sit still doing nothing while I see a staff being abused. Anyways, understanding money is my passion. It's such a broad topic, so I share my passion with the world here on YouTube. Business owners, I didn't leave you out. So quickly, 99% of business owners are always busy being busy. I see most of you like nodding now. Busy days, busy dad. My advice to you after running so many businesses, if you're always busy being busy, your business will fail because there will always be competition trying to outdo you. Your focus should be time. Time for you to keep innovating, trying something new strategy, new product, new service, etc. Wrapping up, yes, starting is going to be painful, especially the money. But more importantly, you are jumping out of that loop designed by society, that infinite loop. Once you do that, your focus is purely on making the most out of your time effectively. Once you are able to do that, the world changes. I know it could be painful now, but look at it this way. Let's say your pay is $2,000 per month. There was a definite time in your life where you were just surviving on half the amount, $1,000 a month. What has changed? You! So be willing to sacrifice some earned income for time. Increasing your income, not by working more, because we know the end state. You are going to work yourself to death. In the short run, working twice more, yes, it will earn you twice the income. What if you want your income to increase 4 times more? There is no way you are going to work 4 times more. It's not going to work. There is a reason why some people work so little and earn so much more. It is no secret. These people know that time does not equal to money. Instead, they know how to use their time most effectively. Increase your income by working less and focus on how you can most effectively use your time to help others. It can be in education, entertainment. Yes, entertainment does count because people are stressed, you make them happy. Or solving problems, as simple as it sounds. That's it. I hope I make a difference in your life in the future. I appreciate the thumbs up and cheers.